In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Fib Circles on Tradingview. Quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to place it on your chart, and how to customize it so it actually fits your trading style. First, make sure you're on any Tradingview chart. It can be a crypto pair, a stock, forex, whatever you like. Just open the chart where you want to do your analysis. Once your chart is open, move your attention to the upper left side of the screen. This is where your main drawing toolbar lives. In that toolbar, look for the section that contains the Gann and Fibonacci tools. It's usually represented by an icon with diagonal lines or Fibonacci-related symbols. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down, select Fib Circles. As soon as you click it, your cursor will turn into the drawing tool and you're ready to start placing it on the chart. Now, create your first point on the chart. This is usually placed at a significant swing, low, or swing high, depending on how you're analyzing the market. Simply click once to set that first anchor point. Then move your cursor to where you want the Fib circle to end, typically another major high or low, and click again to create your last point. Tradingview will automatically draw the concentric Fibonacci circles between those 2 points. These Fib circles can help you visualize potential areas of support, resistance, or timing as price moves outward through the different circular levels. They're especially useful if you like combining geometry with Fibonacci analysis to see how price reacts around certain zones. Once the circles are on your chart, you're not locked in. You can click and drag the endpoints to move or adjust the entire tool anywhere on your chart. This lets you fine-tune the placement as you study different swings or timeframes. You can also customize the look. With the Fib circles selected, open the customization options. You'll see templates where you can save or apply preset styles. You can change the color to match your chart theme and adjust the line width so the circles are either more subtle or more pronounced, depending on your preference. Use the settings menu for deeper options, like which Fibonacci levels are shown. If you want to keep your Fib circles from moving accidentally, click on Lock. When you're done with them, click on Remove to clear them from your chart. Finally, click on the 3 dots or More next to the tool for additional options and management. That's how you create and manage Fib circles on Tradingview, quickly and easily.